the master. I feel them. Y'all ready? They ready? Well, come on. Well, come on. Y'all ready? They ready? We ready? We ready? Come on. We ready? We ready?
I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready. Yeah. I don't know about y'all, but I'm ready.
King James, are you ready? Ready! 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 Again! Gang! Ooh! Ooh! Ah! Ooh! Ooh! Hey! Ooh! Ooh! G! S! K! I! N! G! S! War King! War King!
Hey, y'all know what it is, man. Hey, the more days we get out there on Saturday, go whip that ass. You know what it's about. Hey, get that work in, stay healthy, stay up today. All right? Kings on me, Kings on three. 1, 2, 3, Kings!
She ain't gon' stop dropping shit. I'ma make $1 million then stand on the top of it, rocking it till the day I die in this game. Archie with the back, boy, adding the fire to the flame. What's up? I'm country boy, you said something. If you're ready, why you stumbling into the flow? Huh? If you're ready, why you stuttering? I ain't Joe. I'ma show 'em why they call it dirty. There is no mercy for player haters, cause he ain't worth it. Heard of me then.
On three. Come on. Dark side on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Dark side!
Atlanta, Georgia, where the dirt be found. See, I did this since my younger days. Only 16, but my pocket's never underage. So let's get paid, cause I stay ready for the G's. And you is crazy if you think that you ready for me. So who's ready now?